Will you forget prehistory? We'll never find Methuselah there.
When have you got for us?
The 21st century.
The pollution age? What a mess! What the?
We've got him!
Time lock! All right, we found Methuselah.
Take down the coordinates. I'll notify Control we're on his tail.
Hey, he's heading for the past.
Oh, I'll be gone 2 or 3 days, no longer. My mushroom extract will have my rambunctious grandnephew back on his feet by that time, I'm sure.
We'll tend to the chateau.
But first, we'll tend to this before it takes over.
Oh, don't miss the great comet tonight. I've lined up the telescope in the lab.
Thank you, Count. Bon voyage.
A chainsaw. What we need is a harvester.
I've had it.
No kidding.
Let's go. We should be able to see that comet pretty soon.
Nah, keep your comet. What I need is a good 8-hour eclipse. Phew.
Come on. It only goes by every 66 years. This is a once-in-a-lifetime event. Oh. Careful. There's lots of dangerous stuff around here.
Don't worry about me.
Oh, no.
Oh,
Got to get out. Oh. What the? Oh, the chloroform. What's that? Come on. A spaceship.
we just mowed that lawn. Who's responsible for this?
Pardon me. When am I? And where?
Count Champignac? You're back already?
Count Champignac? I'm at Chateau Champignac. Leaping lasers! I did it! The transfer was perfect! Then you are Spirou and Fantasio. Of course, I remember now. Success at last! And to think you were here with me when that clock fell on my head, inspiring my glorious life's work.
Hey!
But Count, you just left this morning to cure your nephew, don't you remember?
No, because I'm not the Count. I am his nephew. Ha!
The nephew?
Look carefully. You must see some difference.
Well, there's your mustache, but that's it.
Wait, if you were his nephew, you could only have come from...
The future, correct?
What? What is this, science fiction?
Time travel was science fiction in your era, but I, Aurelian de Champignac, have made man's ancient dream come true, and you are the first to witness my triumph.
Incredible!
Don't tell me you're buying this, twaddle.
Time lag. I must rest. Good night, all. See you at breakfast, and have a good sleep. I have a proposal for you.
Time lock, transfer complete. Ah,
That's Methuselah's all right. Whoops. Cat. Caught in the landing zone.
He'll come round in an hour or two, older but wiser. Listen in.
Did you perchance observe the great comet last night?
Well, we had the telescope set up and everything, but...
Because it is thanks to it that I'm here. I learned that when the comet is near the Earth, it causes a time warp, allowing my time machine to leapfrog from one era to another.
If this is a joke, it's a bad one.
You sound like my colleagues. They laugh at me, call me a mere clockmaker. But I will see that the last ho-ho is mine.
How?
I will take back proof of my journey.
Ah, something that no longer exists in your era.
Exactly, and I've chosen a rare plant, soon to be made extinct by pollution. It grows only in Colombia.
Colombia?
Phew! That jungle's no place for an old guy like you. I mean...
No, not alone. And now we come to my proposal.
You want us to go with you?
That's why you're here.
Yes, forgive me, I would not have presumed, but I recalled you were renowned adventurers and...
Of course we'll go.
What?
Oh, thank you. But we must leave quickly. I have but 3 days to find the plant and return to my own time, or by then the great comet will have moved too far from the Earth.
Oh, no. Oh.
It seems totally undamaged. Come on, hop in.
All right.
Spirou, do we have to go in that? There are airlines.
Oh, they're so slow. I'll get you there in no time.
That's what I'm afraid of. Oh.
There's no danger, no. You'll wake up.
Wake up?
What's happening? It's a miracle. Hey, where's Aurelian?
Aurelian.
As you must have observed, we're in Colombia. Having recovered from the time lag quickly this time, I'm scouting the area for my plant. So pleasant dreams.
He's been gone for more than 2 hours.
Great. He goes to all the trouble of bringing us, and then he tackles the jungle on his own.
Time lock. Not another one.
You and your slapdash landings.
I suppose you could have spotted him hiding in the bushes.
If you keep landing people into early retirement, we'll have to hide in the bushes. Come on. This way.
A cemetery?
1529? What is this, a movie set?
These grave markers have been here for over 400 years.
I say, chaps! Catastrophe!
Well, do drop in. Now what? More pageant?
I don't believe it.
Too late!
What do you mean? Just in time. Thanks, guys. Great costumes.
Falam!
Well, falam to you. Hey.
Portuguese soldiers. We're in...
Yes, we're in the 16th century.
What? Wow, awesome.
Levamos al gobernador!
All right.
We're going. What went wrong?
The time machine must have been damaged after all. I should have checked more closely.
Wish I'd brought my camera. What a story.
I guess right now we're at war with Portugal.
Great timing.
Ah, we're in 1531. I know because my time machine can only transfer us to periods when the comet appears.
That's encouraging.
Oh, I don't think so. It will only appear for the next few days, so we must get out of this fix quickly.
Perfect. You get us here 500 years too early, and there's no flight out for another 66 years. At least the airlines only lose your luggage.
Sabemos, gobernador, es para vos. Os prisioneros están aquí.
Delight to greet ye, gentlemen the spies. How is Francis the First?
Francis the First?
Me, I am Don Alvaro Moru. All that is Don José de Concuaque, governor of all the landscape. The crown of Portugal know that our sailors' success make all Europe jealous. Many country spies wish to grab in both ends the riches of the New World. You will confess first. Hey, take this confession. Not till he starts talking. Then you make it up. I are listening.
We come from the future.
Oh.
Due to a faulty time transfer, we've landed here with you. Perhaps we are uninvited, but certainly not spies.
Huh?
Well, you got his attention.
Yeah, enough! Jokers, huh? We see if the torture man shall make you laugh from a different mouth. Ready, lordships. Start with him. The torture man has ways of making you talk.
That's what they all say.
Talk. I get you just 20 years in the galleys. Bread and water paid by the crown.
Thanks, I don't need the exercise.
What? Huh? Something lurks in yon boot.
Huh?
A naughty spy speech. We the spies are hating Governor Jose Concoaque. Down the big fat booby. Down the blubbering whale-sized puddle scum. Down the...
Enough! The signature!
Yours truly, all the 3 spies of Francis First that we just got.
Remind me to work on my grammar. That note's so bad it sounds like your boss wrote it.
Another smarty pants spy, huh? Throw the book at him! Hey!
Oh!
And it doesn't leave a mark.
Again!
¡Incapaces! ¡Asesinos! ¡Remétame a esos prisioneros! ¡No cadea!
But the governor not tickled. At dawn sharp, all you funny men spies be. Execute!
I don't get it. I didn't feel a thing.
I hope our date at dawn will be so painless.
Aw, cheer up, Aurelian. We're not finished yet. Now here's the plan, okay? Spip, you found us. Hey, what happened?
Did you catch that?
We caught a butterfly at a square dance? Come on, Spip, listen up. You can help us make our big break. you stay here while we grab the bench.
Que se passa?
Okay.
Quick, into a uniform before more soldiers turn up.
See any way out?
Maybe through that door. But we need a reason to cross that parade ground. Not much farther.
What slipshod construction!
Os franceses!
Quick! This way! I am a friend. I spy of Francis the First.
What?
Well, if you can help, now's the time.
Follow me.
After you.
It's up to you. I hope I did not hurt you earlier. I cannot bear causing pain. The book was hollow.
So, that was it.
Oh, poor soul. Before my time, thank goodness. The ducks. From here on, there is no more I can do for you.
You've done more than enough, thank you. But what about you?
I will pretend you knocked me out.
That can be arranged.
Oh, no need. This will do the trick. How do I look?
Oh, very convincing.
Good luck.
Os franceses!
Leaping lasers! The comet is already leaving the Earth's orbit! We've but a short time to...
The Palombinos.
Great, that's all we need.
They must assume we are Portuguese soldiers.
Do you blame them?
Run for it! Hurry! Hurry!
Out, abandon ship!
Perfect. Now we're here for 66 years.
If we live that long.
Why did that rotten clock have to fall on my head anyway? None of this would have happened.
Time lock.
Oh, perfect. They leave and the Martians arrive.
Whoa, close one.
Time-space agents Duffy and Duran at your service. Methuselah, I presume.
Methuselah? I am Aurelian de Champignac, trailblazer scientist in the service of all humanity.
Oh, of course. Methuselah is just a code name assigned to you by the Time Control Commission.
It took a lot of history hopping to catch you, pal.
We were sent to protect you. You're one of the pioneers of time travel. If anything happened to you, the whole future of the human race would be endangered.
The whole future of recognition at last.
Don't be alarmed. We're escorting you back to your proper eras.
Gather round.
Yes, and try to forget all this. In any case, no one would believe you. Now, the transfer will be painless.
Painless?
chloroform.
Painless, my foot. No.
You had the same dream?
The Portuguese? Francis the First? You too?
Someone's coming.
My friends, how are you? I've brought us a guest, my grandnephew Aurelian. Say hello, Aurelian. Oh, at least his health is improving, even if his manners are not. A few days in the country and he'll be fine.
Hey! Why do we bother? He didn't even notice the lawn.
And the great Comet, did you have a look these last 2 nights?
Last 2 nights, did you say?
What was that? Oh my goodness, Aurelian! A big bump, but just a bump. That'll teach you, young scamp. He needs quiet. Oh, he worries me, that boy. I wonder if he will ever make a true Champignac.
I wouldn't worry about that.